Speaking at the event, the Commissioner for Agriculture, Mechanization, Processing and Export, Mr. Afamumbanefo, represented by the State Program Manager, Agricultural Development Program ADP, Mr. Jude Nwankwo, restated the state government's unrivaled determination at opening up all agricultural value chains to create employment, generate revenue, and strongly register Anambra as an agricultural base for the country.
You know, we've been exporting various products outside, vegetables and others. Today we are about moving at a very fast pace into adding another product, a very important product for that matter. B, actually apiary is very important in our domestic and pharmaceutical industries. Most of what you see outside today is not honey. So today we are trying to train our farmers, train our people to produce the real honey, which will be consumed domestically and equally export.
The coordinator, Agricultural Society of Nigeria, APIS Nigeria, Anambra State Chapter, Chief Christopher Enwelibe, expressed optimism that when fully maximized, beekeeping will grant more youths the opportunity to be self-reliant, as beekeeping is not capital intensive.
Our expectations is that our from here will get more use into agriculture, because this business is a business you will start with little or no money. Like somebody with 100,000 naira, 100,000 naira will give you about 3 hives and complete equipment. And from 3 hives, if well managed, at least you are sure of getting at least 120 to 150,000 a year without stress. Because this is a farming program, you don't stress yourself, you don't wait, you don't feed them, you're just visiting them about once or twice in a month.
While a consultant agriculturist and Deputy National Coordinator APIS Nigeria Southeast, Chief Victor Obi, who was also a resource person at the event, underlined the importance for farmers in Southeast Nigeria to enter into beekeeping. One of the important issues that was topical at the workshop was the 3-year process of converting from inorganic bee farming to organic, especially for those who have started farming. Also, return on investment for total organic bee farming was a concern, where one of the resource persons, a professor of food and nutrition security, Anambra University Awka, Nkiru T. Melodo, explained that organic farming is more cheaper and the market is growing on a rapid speed. In Awka, I am David Obokwase reporting for ABS News.